Nice. Hey, hello everybody, just thought I'd do a quick video on this type of padlock. It's one I picked up from Aldi's. I don't know whether you can see the keyway or not. There we go. That's the keyway. Obviously working key. Like I said, I've noticed a few people was having a bit of difficulty applying tension onto the keyway, so I've come up with an idea of using one of the original keys, and there we go. I don't know whether you can see that okay. All I've done is cut the centerpiece out. So that's, I don't know whether you can see that. Just cut the centerpiece out, so when you put the pick in, you put it in flat, go to the back and kind of rake. I find raking quite easy on these, so you could probably be able to rake it with something like a half diamond or a short hook. It's just an easier way of applying tension. So just apply the key in. Oh, there we go. Oh, I've left a little bit at the top, which is like, obviously you can get the pick in. Goes in 4-finger and thumb. Just apply a bit of tension on. Put the pin, lay it flat, the pick. Go to the back. And obviously work your way back. And then tilt it a little bit as it goes to the back. And work your way through the pins. And there we go. Pegs. Works well with the half diamond, or if you want to use the short hook, just slide it, just put it in. When you put the pick in, just lay it flat until you get to the back, and then you just tilt it to get onto the pins once you're in. It works quite well for applying the tension on. It's as you can see, it's rather than using a tension wrench, because I put a tension wrench in like that and it's a bit awkward and it doesn't pick as good. So if you've got any keys for these, just cut the middle bit out and it's works a treat. Nice little tip I just thought I'd share. Thanks for watching.